Is onion juice the secret to thicker, healthier hair? It might sound unusual, but this powerful natural remedy is making waves in the hair care world. Packed with sulfur, antioxidants, and antibacterial compounds, onion juice is being used to combat hair loss, promote regrowth, and revive thinning hair, all from your kitchen. In this video, we're diving deep into how onion juice works, what the science actually says, and the right way to use it for real results. Whether you're dealing with hair thinning, shedding, or just looking to boost your growth naturally, this is one home remedy you'll want to try. Onion juice. It might not sound glamorous, but this humble kitchen staple has gained significant attention in the world of hair care, for good reason. Rich in sulfur, antioxidants, and antibacterial properties, onion juice has been hailed as a natural remedy for hair loss, thinning, and slow growth. But does it really work? Let's explore the science, the benefits, and how to use it effectively. Onions are packed with sulfur, a key building block of keratin, the protein that makes up hair. Sulfur improves blood circulation to hair follicles, strengthens strands, and reduces breakage. Onion juice also contains quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that fights inflammation and helps protect hair follicles from damage. Its antibacterial properties can combat scalp infections, which are often hidden culprits of hair loss. Several studies support these claims. In a 2002 study published in the Journal of Dermatology, participants who applied onion juice to their scalps twice daily experienced significantly more hair regrowth compared to those who used only tap water. Within just 2 weeks, some participants began seeing results, and after 6 weeks, nearly 74% of those using onion juice showed marked improvement. So how do you use onion juice for hair growth? The process is simple, but consistency is key. Start by peeling and chopping 2 to 3 medium-sized onions. Blend them into a smooth pulp, then strain the mixture using a cheesecloth or fine sieve to extract the juice. You should end up with a pungent, clear liquid. Apply this juice directly to your scalp, gently massaging it in with your fingertips to stimulate circulation. Let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes. If the smell is too strong, you can add a few drops of essential oils like lavender or rosemary. After the treatment time, wash your hair thoroughly with a mild shampoo. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. It's important to note that while onion juice can work wonders for many, it may not be a miracle cure for everyone. People with allergies or sensitive skin should do a patch test before full application. Also, hair loss caused by genetic conditions or medical issues may require professional treatment. Still, for those dealing with mild to moderate hair thinning, onion juice offers a low-cost, natural solution backed by both science and tradition. Sometimes, the best remedies are the ones that have been sitting in your kitchen all along. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-expanding educational content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.